This is the PWPAM Automatic Alcohol Disinfection Sprayer. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a user manual. They give you the charging cable. It's USB to USB-C, 2 extra wicks, and of course the unit itself. This one is in green, but it's also available in black. Let me show you how it comes apart and what you do with it, and then I'll show you how it works. So here's the unit itself. On the top there are 2 sprayers. There's a status indicator there, a button on the back, and there's 2 modes with that we'll talk about in a bit. Your charging port right there. Incidentally, this has a 1200 milliamp hour battery and recharges in about 2 hours. The idea with this is it has a sensor, so when you put your hand over it, it'll spray disinfecting liquid. So in this case it would be something like rubbing alcohol. You just twist it and pull it out and you fill up your container here. This will hold 200 milliliters, approximately 6.7 ounces. In this compartment, and you don't have to take this apart, I'm just showing you for the video, this comes off, revealing 2 springs, which I'll put back in. There they are. As well as the 2 wicks over here. So you just put the springs back in here and then put that back on, and it'll hold everything nice and tight and together. And then of course you go and close the unit up, and then you turn it on, it's ready to go. So it's very easy. Here's some rubbing alcohol. You pour some in. That's plenty right there. Again, it holds 6.7 ounces. And then you can go ahead and put that back and give it a twist. Now, it's not ready right away. It needs to sit for about 3 minutes or so for that to soak up in the wicks there. So we're just going to wait and leave that for a little bit for it to do so. Okay, now that we're all set, we can hold the button down for a few seconds till the blue light comes on, and now it is in induction mode. So now when I put my hand over it, it sprays, and this will spray for up to 20 seconds, spraying the alcohol so it can sanitize my hand. And it shut off. You can see the dampness on my hand as compared to that. I'll hit it again with the other hand. And there's the moisture. So indeed, it definitely works. An interesting thing. This is a no-touch, what do you call it? The hand sanitizer stuff, just using plain old alcohol, which is great. And this is the good stuff. This is the 91%. So it does an excellent job just like that. There also is another mode you can set it to, automatic mode. And in that mode, every 20 minutes, it will spray for 10 seconds. So if I, fool the sensor here, it'll spray out of both. I, just happen to block it as I do that. But it'll spray just for 10 seconds in the air like that and stop. Does it get on the top? Sure it does, but that's fine. It's alcohol. It evaporates very quickly. So now, completely no touch. You don't have to worry about, pumping, because I always get with the hand sanitizer, you go to pump that thing. They have it like all these places. You go to a register in a store or something, they have the hand sanitizer, and you're like, do I really want to touch the pump? Well, then I am sanitizing my hands, but I always get that. But if they had something like this, you just put your hand there and sanitize it right away, just like that. So like I said, it'll spray for up to 20 seconds as long as it senses something is there, and then it'll stop. So we'll just wait that out a moment. See how it stopped? And then it'll stop as soon as I move my hand away. So really nice, definitely works. You can see the moisture. What a great idea. This is fantastic. Now this will operate as is, like that. Once you turn it on for 8 hours, it'll be in induction mode like that, or in automatic mode. After that, it shuts off, goes into standby, and then you would have to turn it back on again. But, you know, otherwise, really nice to be able to just walk up. You could have this by the front door in your house. You can put this in the cup holder in your car. Get in, you know, you just handled stuff in a store, sanitize your hands, and drive away. Excellent idea. The automatic alcohol disinfection sprayer from PWPAM. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.